So we have Luna, Coco in a crate, Stella in a crate because she was very excited about treats, Tahiti, Doshi, Tiki over there, and Momo. And somebody comes to the door. Oh, and everybody gets a piece of chicken because that was good.